Core system libraries failing because of the Fastprox library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Fastprox library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This DLL file is the WMI Custom Marshaller library. It is an internal Windows component that facilitates the fast transfer of data between Windows Management Instrumentation WMI services and client applications on the system. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. The Fastprox library DLL is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Fastprox library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing the Fastprox library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing the Fastprox library. If this fix repaired the Fastprox library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.